Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel for another video. I know it's been a long minute. Per usual, I have been really busy, working really hard. I just finished up in Phoenix, Arizona for 13 weeks, and I'm at home for a few days. I wanted to come and film a little content so y'all know I'm still active. Very loosely active, but active, and let you know what's going on. I hope y'all have been well. I really appreciate you if you have subscribed in my absence. I really do appreciate the love and support and reaching out, all your questions, concerns, etc. So if you're interested, I am just going to be doing a get ready with me today, trying to look better than this, obviously, and I'm going to a little party later on with my husband and his friends. So yeah, that's all I got for you. So if you're interested or you want to chat, you want to talk, listen, then stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to start off with my hair because I'm wearing my little red wig that I wore like in my last video. I've been wearing it off and on, trying to get myself to really like that wig, but I really don't like it. I don't know why, I really don't like it. The lace is terrible. The wig is not exactly, I didn't receive what I ordered, you know, but I mean I still wear it because it goes with so many outfits and it can really turn out kind of cute. So if you are interested, I got that wig from SuperNova. I want to say the wig was, I'm going to look it up. Wait. Okay, so the wig was $256.24. I got a 22-inch, 180% density with a medium cap size and the light 99J color. I will say that cap size runs a little small, and I figure I have like my head measures in circumference somewhere around a 22.5, so I feel like I have an average size head, but that wig came kind of small, so when I do install it, sometimes my ears kind of hang out, so I'm going to go ahead and put on my ball cap method today. My hair is just into a little dookie braids, and I'm just going to kind of like throw it back in a little bitty, whatever this number is here, I'm just going to kind of twist my braids, and I'm going to put one wig cap on, and then I'm going to do the ball cap method on top of the second one. And I just do this because, again, it kind of holds my hair in place because my hair is really puffy. And I'm sorry if you hear the shower running in the back. My husband is showering right now. And I'm just trying to make it out of here on time because I don't know about y'all, but I can't never make it nowhere on time. And I just don't understand. I do not. He talk about me bad, too. He be talking about me so bad because I can't never be on time. Once I got this, I'm going to take my Got2b spray and my blow dryer, and you already know we're going to just spray this down on the edges. I try to keep this as close to my hairline as possible because the purpose of this is to obviously help conceal your hair, but it's also used to help adhere your wig to some of the wig cap. That way there's less damage to your natural hairline. So I feel like that's a good tip if you're struggling with like loose edges or something. Like, try the ball cap method. It really does help, especially if you like to use glue. I'm not going to use glue today, but if I did, this would be the method I would use. I always do a ball cap if I use glue. And once I got that sprayed, I'm going to blow dry it down. So I'm not going to record that because, I mean, you don't need to hit a blow dryer. But I'm using my new blow dryer. This is the Red by Kiss Tornado, the Pro 2000. It's cute. Alright, so now that that's dried down, I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses 3D Face Creator. I'm in the level 15, and I'm going to put that on my wig cap before I cut it, and I'm also put it on the lace inside of the wig because I'm going to show you this. I just washed the wig, and what happens with this lace, which is why I really don't like it, is it gets super white. It's supposed to be transparent, I believe, but it's white. White. And sometimes I think that when you add on the color foundation onto the white lace, it kind of makes it like gray or like this really dark weird color, and then it makes your lace not match. So I suggest if you have a color that is really similar to your skin tone, you use that. But this is what the lace looks like freshly washed. As you can see, it's really light and white, but I mean, you can't really do nothing about that. So yeah, I'm gonna take this and the foundation on the inside of here, and I'm going to put that inside of the cap. If you have lace tint, that would be perfect for this wig. I just don't have any, so I'm gonna use what I have. Now that I've got my color on the inside of the cap, it looks just a little bit more flesh tone, and it blends a little bit more. And now I'm going to cut the excess cap for my ball cap method. You want to just kind of cut this as close to the hairline as possible. If you have some little razors, those work good for this too. But I don't have that, so I'm just going to use these right now. Once you've gotten all your edges rolled down, I just like to go back in with a little bit more of that color and just go around the edges to try to make this as seamless as possible. And then I'm going to wipe my hairline down. I've been using astringent lately, so I've got some Sea Breeze. And I'm going to take that on some sort of little towel. I just got this little towel from the dollar store. And I'm going to put some on there, and I'm just going to get all the excess makeup and oil from around my hairline. And to apply my wig today, I'm going to be using the Boho Liquid Gold again. I really like their product still. I put on a wig yesterday and I almost couldn't get it off. Like, it was ridiculous how good of a hold that stuff has. So once you gotten everything all fixed up, I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. I think that y'all have seen me install enough wigs that you kind of know what I do. I'll include it in the video and I'll just speed through it. But I am loosening up the little strings because this, like I said, runs a little bit small. So I'm putting them on the widest setting. Like that. And this is the construction of the inside. I don't know if I've ever showed you this. I did bleach the knots eventually. So now they don't have as big of a knot and stuff like that. So I'm going to take this part of my hair and just get it out the way so I can spray down the edges one more time and then put on my elastic band. So I just try to get this out the way as best I can. And I went ahead and separated the baby hair. That way I'll be able to just lay it down. And I mean, there's no way I couldn't wear this without baby hair because the wig is A, too small, B, the lace is terrible. But the color is really cute, so I keep it around. So I'm going to take my ORS Olive Oil Fix It Spray. This is a real nice little mist, and I'm going to just spray this right in between on the lace. I'm going to try not to get too much of it on the baby hair because I don't want it stuck down. But I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to take my elastic band and tie it on. If you have a hooded dryer, you can go sit under that for a few minutes just to let it adhere and get all melted, but I don't. So I'm going to take this and blow dry for a couple minutes. And while my hair is drying down, I'm going to start doing my face real quick. This is mostly like my everyday kind of wear. Makeup these days tend to be real light because of my mask, number one. And I don't know, I think the older I get, the more I get into natural looking face and all that jazz, you know. I have turned into that girl. So, although I do still enjoy putting on makeup and doing like really fun looks, most of the time it's going for something natural or neutral. Then that's gonna rock the boat too much. So all I'm doing is spraying some Mario Badescu facial spray. This is the one with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. I just do this to add a little moisture back to my face because it's probably a little dry. But I have already washed and moisturized, but I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to take my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. And I'm going to put that over this and let this dry down. Alright, y'all, so this is basically the next day. I forgot to film my outro because I was in a rush. Of course, I'm always late, so I had to get out of the house. But I want to come and finish my thoughts on this wig because although she is super cute, once it's all said and done, like, she has a lot of work that needs to be done. So I think that if you are okay with like a wig that takes a lot of work, then you should get her, because I think it's a really cute afro, like kinky curly kind of wig. But if you're not looking for that, then I suggest you don't do this, because like she's real tangly. I would say her texture is kind of like similar to like a 4B or something like that. I'm sorry, y'all, my dog's so ghetto. So anywho, what I was saying was, if you don't mind a wig that take a lot of work, then I think you should definitely get this. Otherwise, I think that she's probably one to just pass on it, because it just takes too much finessing. So as you can see in natural lighting, here is the lace. As aforementioned, it was too small for my head, so I ended up having to cut this part of the lace off and just kind of like lay hair there. So I really don't really wear it in any other style but this, but it's really cute. I mean, I could wear it up with like a little bun here, but again, your options are real limited with this unit. So, oh god, sorry. But for picture taking purposes, it's cute. Everything else, ooh, it's not everyday friendly. Well, unless you are okay with a high maintenance wig, she's gonna be very high maintenance. The color is absolutely beautiful, though. I will say that SuperNova does have some really nice 99J colored hair, but the lace is a no-go for me, and the actual unit itself is a no-go for me, because I ordered a curly wig, not a kinky curly wig. This is what I got. I didn't even bother reaching out, so I don't really know how their communication is with their customer service, so I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. Hope you enjoyed the video. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.